sorry. I'd like to meet your number one fan, your number one fan girl.
Hello.
She's now in the viral video.
Yes.
So
you have a very good voice. You're really, I really like your singing. Oh, don't cry.
So, JJ, happy birthday. And what can you, Marge, what can you say that on JJ's birthday, na-meet ko siya personally?
Yeah, I wish you all the best. And this is the first time to see you in person. No. Yesterday I saw you, but you left already after the practice. So, I didn't get the chance to take a selfie on you, take a picture of you.
Hello, Mia.
But at least I get a hug now.
Thank you. That song you made was really nice.
Yeah.
You have a very nice voice.
Yeah, and if you win in finals, then I already have a song.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
So, what's your birthday message to JJ?
More birthdays to come, and then even though you're not, it's your last year.
Sure ba?
Yeah. I hope. I know all of the fans will still love you, even though you're not present anymore in the game. The Fast and the Furious, JJ Helderman is always in our heart, especially on me because your jersey number is actually my birthday. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Well, you guys are very special to us.
Thank you.
This is the reason why we do this for you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
JJ.
Sorry.
JJ. Ano masabi mo na may mga ganitong na-encounter mo ng mga fan talaga na sa tagal mo sa PBA ngayon, yung ganitong klaseng fan na nag-dedicate talaga ng viral song para sa iyo, sa inyo, sa team?
I mean, this is very heartwarming. I mean, this is the reason why when we're out there on the court, we really try to give everything we got. You know, a lot of people are really depending on us. A lot of people are really counting on us, and a lot of people are really affected when we lose or when we win. And those are the diehard fans. People like her. And I just want to say thank you so much. You know, you inspire us. And again, you guys are the reason why we go out there and give it our best every night when we're out there playing. So thank you, and God bless you all.
Yeah, nice to meet you. It's really nice to meet you. Thank you.